Let's continue with the revision of chapter number 4, simple equation. Yesterday we had started with the first exercise. Start with question number 6. In question number 6, you have to set up the equation according to the situation, whatsoever is given.
Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has
7 marbles more than
5 times.
yani 5 times. 7 marbles more than 5 times. क्या आएगा फिर? 5m plus 7 equal to 37. Write it completely. Write a suppose part जो आप suppose कर रहे हो या दिया हुआ है जो भी है. Okay, go. खुशी चलो next question. In the next question, Lakshmi's age is given. Father's age is given in number, that is 49 years. Y we have supposed as the age of Lakshmi. What relation is given? क्या given है? Read out.
He is 4 years older than
He is 4 years
older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be Y years.
Yes. More है 3 times the Lakshmi's age. So let Lakshmi's age be 5. If it is not given, you will suppose it as a variable. But now in this question, it is given in 5. You can take it as X, Y, Z as per your choice. ठीक है? हाँ जी, हाँ 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 बिल्कुल. Do question number 4 and 5 first. Right. 3 times y plus 4 is equal to 49. So this will be the condition. Father's age is 4 years more than 3 times the Lakshmi's age. So condition will become 3y plus 4 equal to 49. Lakshmi, where is your book? It's very bad. Next. Arshia, come. Do next part. Lowest marks are given in L form. Highest marks 87. ऊपर कर दो बेटा इतना. हाँ बस ऊपर कर दो. So highest marks will be 7 more than twice of the lowest marks. That will be equal to 87. Next. This completed. Question number 6. How many parts? Fourth part. Sixth question, fourth part. In the next question, base angle we have supposed as x, and base angles are equal because it is isosceles triangle, and the vertex angle is twice the base angle. So if you suppose the base angle as B or L, whatsoever you want to take, if it is B, it will be vertex angle will be 2B, and sum of all the angles is Sum of all the angles is 180 by angle sum property. ठीक है, B जो भी आप ले रहे हो. एंड वन मोर थिंग, आपने ये जरूर लिखना है कि ट्राइंगल जो है वो आइसोसेलेस है. सो बेस एंगल्स आर equal, that is equal to XD. That's why we have taken XD, sorry, B taken. That is equal to 180. ठीक है, इक्वेशन कब फॉर्म होती है? व्हेन इट इज हैविंग इक्वालिटी साइन. तो आपने तो एक साइड लिखी थी ना, तो इक्वल टू के बाद 180 बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट कम सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. Answer is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Yes, this question can be done in this way also. You will take -1 to this side. That is called transposition method. But in this exercise, it is written that write the first step to separate the variable. So what is the first step? We will add 1 on both the side. तो इस मेथड को क्या कहते हैं? बैलेंसिंग द इक्वेशन. दिस मेथड इज नोन एज the equation method. This will not come by name, but this can be written, write the first step, write the second step, and show the steps. तो है balancing the equation. And if nothing is written, simply it is written solve, then you can do it by transposition method. And in most of the cases, you will follow transposition method. But in the second exercise, in each question, it is written, write the steps. तो आपने ये balancing से करनी है. Otherwise, you will do all the question like solve, find the value, simplify. You will do it by transposition method. ठीक है, वहां लिखा नहीं होगा. लेकिन जो सेकंड एक्सरसाइज है जिसमें लिखा है राइट द स्टेप, तो आपने ये स्टेप लिखना है. ऐड क्या लिखना है? ऐड 1 on both side. Okay, come, next is your turn.
P part x plus 1 is equals to 0.
Write the step also. Subtract 1. Actually, plus 1 is given. So you will subtract 1 from both the sides. that will cancel. Answer is -1. Okay, so all the parts of this first question are exactly same. So you will do it in this manner. नहीं कर सकते.
Third part.
The first step.
Third part, x minus 5 is x minus 1 is equal to 5.
Answer is 6. Okay. समीर आपकी क्लास में रोल नंबर आपने स्टेप नहीं लिखा. Subtract 6 from both the side. Subtract 6 from both the side. ये कौन सा मेथड है? Actually, why we are using this method? It is asked in the question, solve it by writing the steps. What will be the first step? What will be the second step? तो उसमें ऐसे लिखना. ठीक है? Next. Actually, there is -4 now. So you will add 4 on both the side. If minus is there, then you will add. If add is there, you will subtract. If multiply is there, you will divide. If division is already there, then you will multiply. You will do the reverse step. ठीक है, opposites जो है वो करोगे आप. Yes, answer is -3. Come. equal sign. Answer is y is equal to 8. All the questions are similar in this exercise. Now let's do the question related to multiplication and division. That is second question. Come, second question, first part. That is related to multiplication. So you will remove the multiplication with division. Yes, what happened last? दिखाओ, आपने दूसरा क्वेश्चन किया, आपने गलत किया। ये वाला पार्ट किया ना, ये तो करवाया ही नहीं, बस यहीं तक हमने नेक्स्ट पार्ट नहीं किया। इधर ये +4 है ना, या -4 किया, या -4 आएगा, ये कैंसिल, y इज इक्वल टू 0। Yes, write the step, divide, लिखो वहां पे। बच्चे whosoever has not got their checked PDF they will get, ठीक है। तो मैं चेक कर रही हूँ, it will take time, क्योंकि फोन पे चेक करने में टाइम लगता है। मैं करके सेंड कर दूंगी जिन्होंने मुझे ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट ने जिन्होंने सेंड किया है। जो ऑफलाइन क्लास में प्रेजेंट है, if the notebook is not checked they will bring it physically. I will check it tomorrow. B divided by 2. B is dividing by 2, so you have to multiply both sides with 2, so that 2 will cancel out. So answer is B is equal to 12. All these parts are same in this question. Now do F part of this question, F and H. F and H part. Come. आप G part करोगे, G part. Question number 2, G part. FGH. Which part? Yes, answer will be negative, -1/2. कोई बात, maybe some mistake is there. -0.5. Why? Today your homework is revise exercise 4.2. You will do odd questions of 4.2. Odd questions. Seven by 3, that is 2, 1 by 2. Makes a fraction. चलो आपकी टर्न नहीं आई ना, चलो नेक्स्ट करें. H part. क्या करना है? -10. क्या कर रहे हो बेटा आप? दोनों साइड पे 20 से डिवाइड करना है. 20 को नहीं करना, दोनों साइड पे 20 से डिवाइड करना है. 20 से दोनों को डिवाइड करना है. ये कैंसिल, ये कैंसिल. p कितना आ गया? -1/2. दैट इज -0.5. क्लियर?